Hello everyone and welcome back to Wearaholic. If you want to know whether the Galaxy Watch 6 comes with a temperature sensor or not, then you are in the right place. In this video, I will tell you all about the Galaxy Watch 6 temperature sensor. So let's start the video without wasting any time. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 comes with a temperature sensor. You can see this sensor on the back side of the watch. You can see it on the screen right now. With the Galaxy Watch 6 temperature sensor, you can record your body's temperature during sleep. Other than this, you can measure the temperature of any object. Watch this video till the end to see how we can measure the temperature of water, food, or any object. First, let's talk about how you can measure body temperature while you are sleeping. To activate this feature, go into your settings, then tap on Health and simply toggle on the skin temperature during sleep option. Now, when you turn this feature on, you might be informed that a light could flash on the back of your watch during measurements. Some might worry about it being distracting at night, but from my experience, I haven't found it to be any discomfort while sleeping. The skin temperature data appears in your sleep tracking records, both on your watch and on your phone. Navigate to your sleep tracking tile and scroll down. You will find a breakdown of your skin temperature throughout the night. Mine ranged from 32.2 to 34.9 degrees Celsius. If you analyze your sleeping data in the Samsung Health app, then you will also get advice about your sleep skin temperature. Now, we will measure the temperature of other objects. First, head to the Play Store and search for Thermo Check. Once you find this icon, install the app. After installation, go to your apps menu and scroll down to find the Thermo Check app. With the help of this app, you can measure the temperature of any object like metal, plastic, wood, water surface, and water inside temperature. Real-time temperature measuring is also available if you want to record temperature continuously. Swipe to the right to access the settings. Here, you can change the temperature units to Fahrenheit and enable the guide. Now let's start measuring temperature of a water bottle. Take a water bottle and put your watch on the bottle. Tap on the Living in Thermo Check app. Please select whether you want to measure the temperature one time or multiple times. I will select one time because the temperature of the bottle is not changing rapidly. On the next screen, you will see options to select objects for measuring the temperature. We are measuring the temperature of a plastic bottle, so I will select plastic and wood. Now tap on Check. It will start measuring the temperature. In the same way, you can measure the temperature of a metallic body and other things like food, beverages, or anything hot or cold by selecting the appropriate options in the app. Now, I will show you how to measure the temperature of water on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 with the help of the Thermo Check app. To measure water temperature, simply click on the water option. Make sure to turn off the power saving mode and sleep mode, and turn on always on display for accurate results. To start the measurement process, tap on Check. The app will show you some guides. After this, it will start measuring the temperature. The watch should completely sink into the water. After a moment, it will show you the reading. You can also measure the temperature of the water surface using your Galaxy Watch. You don't even need to sync your watch for this measurement. For this, click on one time and choose water surface. Place your watch near the water surface and tap on Check to get the measurement. This Wear OS app measures the temperature of every object. However, it's important to note that I can't guarantee the absolute accuracy of these measurements. That's all that I wanted to share with you in today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wearaholic for wearable tech tips and reviews. How was your experience with the measurement? Please let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.